world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where with all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. This is not a knife, it's a kettle. Okay, we're talking about this today. Okay, just started a little fire. It's Father's Day early in the morning, and I'm waiting for my breakfast. Okay. This is not one of the expensive brand ones. This is a thing I bought at, I think, Checkers. Okay, stovetop espresso maker. Something in Italian, 6 cups. Okay, so this little thing is supposed to make 6 cups. There's your directions for use if you want to see that. But let's get this thing off. And then, go away, little thing. Oh, it's not at the cutting edge. Okay, so I think step 1 would be to take this thing off. Then, now at the top, this is where, oh, you can't see, this is where the coffee is going to filter out. Okay, nice, and we have a little cap thing over there. Then, if we unscrew it, you see, it's going to go through there. This thing you fill. Do not pat it down, you just fill it with coffee, and then that goes there. And in here, when you fill this thing, don't fill it up to the little pressure valve. Okay, so you fill it just to under that. Fill this thing with coffee, put it in there, screw it back on, put it on a stovetop or in any gas fire, or you can even put it on a normal fire. You're gonna wait for it to start bubbling out through there, and then you can remove it from the heat and wait for it, or turn off the heat and wait for it to just do its thing. I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so the water is up to there. Let me just put this thing down. Where's the safety valve? Do you see? Just under the safety valve. Now I'm gonna add my coffee in here, and then we'll bring it on some fire. I'm using my little handy dandy gas thing for today. Handy dandy, yes, it's still burning. Okay, this is my own secret blend. Okay, I'm not patting it down, I'm just filling it. Okay, and my little handy dandy stove is exactly big enough to fit this pot. Fantastic. Let's make delicious espresso. Okay, fire is roaring, we'll braai now, but first, breakfast. Today's a very special day actually, because the 21st of June, today's 21st of June, and it's Father's Day this year here in South Africa, but it's also the day on which I asked my wife to marry her, and that happened on top of Mafadi, the highest mountain here in South Africa, which is actually kind of in Lesotho. Anyway, and it's also the winter solstice. Yeah. Magical day today. My kids made me breakfast. This is fantastic. And my coffee is starting to do something while the dog wants my food. Okay, it started boiling. I turned off the gas. I'm waiting for it to do its thing. I didn't even show you. Okay, well. Delicious awesomeness. Thank you.
Hey, where's mine now?